Hey everyone, it's Sarah here, your friendly host from Health and Wellness 101. I am so excited to be back with another video, and today we're going to dive deep into a topic that is essential for our overall health and well-being: protein. Now, before we get started, I just want to take a moment to thank each and every one of you for your incredible support. It means the world to me that you have joined me on this journey of self-discovery and empowerment. Together, we are creating a community that is focused on living our best lives and taking care of ourselves from the inside out. So if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our amazing family. All right, let's talk about protein. We all know that it's important, but do we really understand why? Well, let me break it down for you. Protein is the building block of life. It is responsible for repairing and building tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting a healthy immune system. Without enough protein, our bodies simply cannot function optimally. Now, you might be wondering, where can we source this magical nutrient? Well, the good news is that protein can be found in a variety of foods. Animal sources such as lean meats, poultry, fish, and eggs are excellent options. But for all my plant-based friends out there, don't worry. There are plenty of plant-based sources too. Think beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and even certain vegetables like broccoli and spinach. The key is to incorporate a variety of protein sources into your diet to ensure you're getting all the essential amino acids your body needs. But here's the thing, my friends. It's not just about the quantity of protein we consume, but also the quality. You see, not all proteins are created equal. Some sources may be higher in saturated fats or added sugars, which can have negative effects on our health. That's why it's important to choose lean, high-quality protein sources that nourish our bodies without any unnecessary additives. So, whether you're a meat lover or a plant-based enthusiast, there are plenty of options out there to meet your protein needs. And remember, it's not just about the protein itself, but also the other nutrients that come along with it. So let's focus on whole, unprocessed foods that provide us with a well-rounded nutritional profile. Before I wrap up this video, I just want to remind you to hit that like button if you found this information helpful. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Health and Wellness 101 for more videos on living a healthy, balanced life. Thank you so much for watching my amazing community. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. Remember, we are in this together, and together, we can achieve optimal health and wellness. Stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way soon. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.